Anyway, here's what we're gonna do today. Dutch Prick is gonna get shot with 20 rounds out of a soft air gun in the stomach because, well, it's a Dutch Prick. And
yeah, I just gotta load up the gun right now.
The seriousness of this gun.
It does hurt.
It hurts a little bit, yeah.
You feel it.
If you get 20 of them in the stomach, just imagine that. That's all I can say. So we're gonna do this, and hopefully it'll be some fun. We'll see some welts on the stomach, and like Dutch Prick here is counting them. This is Dutch Prick Film Industries, by the way.
Yes, I am Dutch Prick. How many did I just say I had?
I don't know, but just start stuffing them in.
Yes, man.
Anyway, maybe we should have a tune for this. I'm not sure if we should, but we might should.
We should be able to, you know?
What's this song? This is a good song. Gangsta, gangsta. Let's turn this down. A tidbit nipple. We're gonna shoot Dutch Prick.
Fuck, this cocksucker takes a while to load. Oops, I lost one, so it's 19 now.
I don't care how many's in there, you're getting shot with.
That's good enough.
Okay, here.
There's about
enough in there, 20 rounds.
15, 20.
Okay.
Now, hold on. I should do it through a thin shirt.
No.
Pull it tight.
No.
Yeah. Why should that? Fucking there. Yeah.
I will. I'll let you down. Here, I'll save that.
Yeah. My fucking you cocksucker!
There we go! Whole clip, look! Whole clip. Now, let's get a close-up of this fucking stuff.
Show me there!
Let's get a close-up. Look. And look at me!
I got nothing! That's Copan Industry. Proud to be the Dutch Copan.
Okay, move the fuck out while I get this shit going. See you next time, bitches!